to tickle that bone. Please tell me, what is the relationship advice that he has given you that you can share with our followers who are also seeking relationship advice?
He told me when I was like 13 or 14, he knew that that is a age where you get like infatuation and you're like, oh, what is this feeling I'm feeling? But he told me, he's like, don't get into boy trouble, okay? Be very wise, be very slow, calm down and take it slowly. And he's just like, go with the flow,
Yeah.
but don't rush
Yeah.
into anything. I think in anything, in your careers or in your relationships, I think you have to just be calm.
Yeah.
And
And taking your time
Yeah.
with everything
Yeah.
which you just spoke about. Tell me, what is the typical day in your life? What is the typical day in the life of a content creator? Let's make it more generic, more useful for people who are getting into content creation.
you know, actually, for me, it wouldn't be a typical day as a content creator. It would be Monday, content creator, Tuesday, actor, Wednesday, singer, Thursday, student. So there are a lot of things that I do. Right? It's not typical. It just changes all the time. I say that I'm a night owl, but I mean, today I woke up, my schedule is like that.
Yeah.
Okay. So but if you're talking about being a content creator, you have to do everything by yourself and you have to be involved. But I'm really grateful that I have a very beautiful team with me who help me with the scripts and the shootings and everything. I'm really involved in the process. So I just graduated this year and yeah, I did filmmaking.
That's I laughed because it does not seem like you are a college kid or you just graduated just by volume of how much you worked.
I believe that content creation is also something that teaches you a lot how to be independent, because when it comes to an actor, when I'm acting in a show or in any a medium, I have to just focus on my lines, my characters around, and I just surrender to the director. I have to just think about my character and just collaborate. But when it comes to content creation, it's very different. You're sort of like your own director, but you're also working on the script. You're also working on, oh, what sound can we do? I'm also working with the stylist that, oh, what clothes can we wear?
Correct.
Like
It's a holistic process.
Yes, and it's interesting because you learn so much.
Yeah.
And I'm so glad that in this generation we can do anything we want. I'm really grateful that my parents have always supported me with everything that I do. They never forced me to do anything else. They said, whatever you want to do, you can do. Because I'm the first one in my family, generation of families actually, who is into filmmaking and content creation. They've all been like doctors, engineers, and I come from that family.
Yeah.
And they have done incredible, okay? They have done like incredible things for the world, for the society, for their families, and I get inspired by my family. But I'm the one who did something very different, but my parents have always supported that. So being a content creator, being a travel vlogger, being an actor, now I'm also started to sing. So it's really interesting that you can do so much, you can learn so much from people. I meet so many people every day, so it's really interesting. Yeah. So my